Do you want to know how to make money without having to put so many hours into your work? If your answer is yes, then you've come to the right place. Today's method is going to show you just that. Just imagine how much money you're going to be making and how successful you're going to become. Well, let's not waste any more time then and head right on over to What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. Today's method will teach you how you can make money using a very special strategy that might seem a bit strange to you at first, but don't worry because it'll make sense the more you watch your video. It's amazing, it's simple, it's everything that you could ever ask for, it's free, and it works fast. So if you don't want to miss any of that goodness, then I suggest you keep on watching and let's begin. First, I want you to visit clearvoice.com, and right away you're gonna see all of these words creating for you with you to grow your brand, major products to enterprise scale with fully managed freelance content teams. You can just navigate through the page and find out everything you need to find out just to, maybe get to know more about the website. But just for this video, just let me go through it for you. So anyway, go scroll down all the way to the bottom part of the page, and then once you're at the bottom, I want you to click on for freelancers, which is right below the section for all links. After clicking on for freelancers, you will find yourself to this web page where you can now sign up, right? And as soon as you can immediately sense that this method is super easy, right? All you have to do is sign up before doing anything. But what actually you're going to be doing on the website as a freelancer, you're simply going to upload articles and easily make $600, $700, $1,000 every day. That's it. So it's breathtaking. Now, we're going to show you everything step by step, okay? So please pay attention and listen so that you won't get lost. Now, sign up process, okay? You can see that right here they're looking for clear voices. You can secure freelance jobs that are definitely worth your time. It sounds pretty promising to me. So without further ado, let's continue on with the registration. Type in your first name, your last name. After that, you're going to click on this blue button that says get started, and there you have it. You're done with the registration process. Easy peasy. You're logged in. And the next thing that we want you to do is set up your profile. So you're going to upload a display photo, a profile picture. Then, because it's gonna add more, trust to your profile. And then you're gonna build your account as a trustworthy one, like I said, which is gonna attract a lot of job opportunities, a lot of employers, and you're gonna earn a lot of money. And then after that, you set your profile up by uploading articles, and we're gonna be showing you how you can do that right now. On the same page, we want you to scroll down until you can find these people right here. Under the category, see who's in our talent network. Just click on any one of these people right here, and then you're gonna see their profile. As you can see, this one already has an established account to make him a very reliable freelancer, and they surely earn a lot of money by now, and we know. And you're gonna be one of these people if you just keep watching, so stay tuned. And then after that, we're gonna scroll down a little bit, and you're gonna see tons of different articles with corresponding categories, and these articles are actually created by this guy that we clicked on, which is the name on this profile, and the categories are also here as well to sort the articles easily with this huge variety of articles. And they're gonna get paid tons of money because a lot of people head on to ClearVoice and look for articles for specific categories. So if they look for articles on software and tech, then this category, chatbots and AI, will fit the term. Now, if a visitor is going to click on a freelancer's profile, they're also going to click on your article, and then that's how you're going to be able to get money, make money using this guy's articles, which is a lot to consider. And just, think about it as your inspiration and how you're going to work your way up into the system and start earning big. But wait, what if you lack the skill in creating articles? Well, don't worry, because we are going to show you a secret that's going to do all the work for you, which means you simply have to relax and you don't have to worry about work because it's just going to be limited to easily a copy and pasting method. So let's face it, that's not even that big of a deal. If you're loving today's video so far, make sure that you like, subscribe, and comment about what you're loving the most about our videos so far. It really helps the channel and it makes us really happy to know if you do so. Just make sure you keep watching because we're almost done and you're almost going to start making money like wildfire. So let's continue. Now we're going to show you the first website, and it's called killerplrarticles.com. So once you get to the web page, you can see instantly what it's about, and you're going to find fresh label content articles in unlimited supplies that are absolutely free. So if you scroll down a little bit, you're going to find a lot of PLR article categories right here, and then on the left side as well, some recently viewed PLR articles. And on the right hand side, keep in mind that all of these articles are free, copyright free, which means that you can use them anytime, anywhere, anyway, whatever. You can even sell it as your own. You can use it for commercial. So consider it your own basically and use it to make money. With that said, let's see where the perfect article for us is to upload in Clear Voice and make a lot of money in return. So on the main web page, okay, we want you to click on this hyperlink right here, which says click here to browse categories, and you will be taken to this page where you can now view hundreds of further article subcategories. Now, let's say we are just gonna put our complete effort for business and economy. Simply choose whatever subcategory indicated here as like maybe advertising, PLR articles. After clicking on that, you're gonna be directed to another page. And now you can access the actual articles that belong in the advertising category. Out of so many articles, right? You can find that you have all of the freedom in the world to browse through the pages, find the best article for you. And in case you forgot, this is just from one category. So imagine how many more articles you can choose from, how much more money you could be making if you explore the whole entire thing. So now you are going to head on over to the download the article by signing up for an account for free on this page. That's literally all you have to do. All you have to do is register for free, and then by inputting your full name, your primary email, your password. After that, just click on the button down below, and it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. And now you have your completed registration. After successfully downloading the chosen article, we want you to copy the link and head back to Creative Voice and find this screen button right here which says add content. After you do that, then you're gonna find this interface where you are now just going to paste the link of that article, and just in a blink of an eye, in a snap of a finger, your article is right there. But before you celebrate, there's still something that you should do to gain more traffic and allow your article to actually spread out and let everybody know that there is an article like this, and we're going to teach you how to do so. So after that, once you're doing that, okay, you're going to input some details about your article, like the category where you will put it in. So business. After that, you're going to click on the down arrow and select the option for writer to fill in the question for the primary role. Then next, you're just going to select the option for the article for content type. Now, once you're through with that, fill in the section by choosing published content. And now let me tell you, it's very important that you don't miss this step. So make sure to review all the details to see if it is correct and the same as what I taught you, because I really want to help you guys earn a lot of money, and by doing so you have to really pay attention and follow. So I really want you guys to follow. Now lastly, for the description, what I want you to do is write a little something that's going to describe your article. Then as soon as you're done with that, there's nothing else. You're going to hit that update button. This is where you celebrate, because finally you're done, and you can go back to Killer PLR Articles anytime to get more articles pasted on Clear Voice. And by doing this, money. So that is pretty much everything. Actually, it was pretty quick, pretty easy. Don't forget to leave some love or some suggestions in the comment section down below. We love reading through them, and we will try our best to respond to them as well. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys again for watching today's video. We're so close to 60,000 subscribers, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you did. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.